There, Ed. It'll be all right. Your best buddy knows just what to do. But first I need to sleep on it. Good night. Hey, here's a thought. Let's go find that missing gift, shall we? What do you say, Ed?
What do I say? You've made me the happiest buddy alive!
Okay. Then let's get this over with, okay? Okay. We'll start by retracing your steps.
You mean we'll start here where I ended, then go backwards to where I started? It's just like a game!